What if your fatigue isn't hormonal, but it's environmental? Midlife women rarely consider environmental load. But by the age of 30, 40, 50, your body has been accumulated decades of exposure. Let's talk about something that no one is talking about. By midlife, your detox systems have already processed air pollution, household chemicals, personal care products, mold exposure, heavy metals, plastics, and endocrine disruptors. These exposures are not dramatic, they are accumulative. Low-grade toxin burden increases oxidative stress, inflammatory signaling, immune activation, and mitochondria inefficiency. Here's what most women don't connect. Persistent immune activation is exhausting. Even mild mold exposure increases inflammatory cytokines. Chronic low-grade inflammation drains energy reserves. And you won't necessarily test positive for anything dramatic. Midlife women will say, I just don't feel sick, but I don't feel good. That is environmental load. Now combined with stress, hormonal fluctuation, reduced recovery capacity, the system slows down. This is why our 8-week energy restoration intensive includes repeated medical IV therapies, not as a trend, but to support detox pathways and cellular resilience. Because we are not masking fatigue, we are lowering the total load. If you never consider environmental load as part of your fatigue story, this is your moment. You see the links below to enroll into our 8-week energy restoration intensive so that you can start with your first energy clinical assessment. See you inside of the protocol.